Hello everyone, welcome back again to Lydia's kitchen. My name is Lydia and I hope you all are doing well. In today's video we are going to prepare corn dough for Banku, Fante Kenkey or Kenkey and a lot more. And I hope you will enjoy this recipe, and if today is your first time here, kindly subscribe, like and share, and also comment. Turn on your bell notification on so you don't miss out on any recipes I post. And to my returning subscribers, thank you for always supporting my channel. I do appreciate it a lot. So let's get started. For this recipe you will need white maize or corn, and I'll be mixing it with yellow corn. Mixing both give the dough beautiful and nice color. So I'm going to go ahead and mix them together, and then we will continue with the process. Next, I'm going to go ahead and give it a quick wash and rinse, but you can also skip this step and go ahead and add some water, but I always like to wash it before I soak. So I'm going to continue to wash it until the water runs clear, and I'm using 2 kilos of each of the white and the yellow maize, but you can also use any quantity of your choice. So the next step, I'm going to transfer it into a larger saucepan. I will add more water to it above the maize. Next, our maize is ready to be soaked. I will cover it and leave it in a warm place for 3 days. So this is after 3 days after soaking the maize. I've already washed it to speed up the process, and it's all cleaned and ready for blending. So next, I'm going to fill up the blender with the maize, and I'll be blending it until it becomes very smooth. Although I'm using a very powerful blender, but I blended it 3 times to get a smooth texture. So I'm going to continue to blend the whole maize with the same procedure until it's all done. So I'll now transfer it into another bowl and continue with the rest until it's all done. And as you can see, it's very smooth at this point. And because I added some water to help it blend, it already has water and it's moist. So at this point, I didn't add any additional water to mix. The corn dough is already done. And these blades are very sharp, so whenever you use it, you have to take extra caution when using it. And please, if you are enjoying this recipe at this point and you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, share to your friends and your families to reach wider audience, and also comment down below and turn on your bell notification on so you don't miss out on any recipes I post. And at this point, our corn dough is now ready, looking good and colorful and very, very smooth. I'm going to cover the dough with a cling wrap. This way it will prevent any mold from settling on top of the dough. And I'll leave it in a warm place for another 3 days to ferment. And after 3 days, our corn dough is now ready, looking colorful and beautiful. And it's now ready for your Banku, Kenkey, Fante Kenkey, and a lot more. So I'm going to store them in a Ziploc bag and keep it in the freezer. So I hope you have enjoyed this recipe. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.